Good morning, dear children. Today we are dealing with a new chapter of our grammar textbook, that is chapter number 16, adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that add more meaning to a verb. Okay, adverbs are the words that add or that give more meaning to a verb. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. So adverbs give more meaning to the action words. Okay, that is how an action is done, when an action is done, where an action is done. Okay, about all these things, adverbs gives us the idea. Look at the examples here. He ran yesterday. So yesterday is the adverb, and in this sentence, ran is the verb. Okay, ran is the verb, and yesterday is the adverb. So the adverb yesterday tells us how he ran. Look at the next one. He ran here. In this sentence, ran is the verb, and here is the adverb which gives us more idea about the verb or action word ran. He ran quickly. Quickly is the adverb in this sentence, and the word quickly tells us how the boy ran. And the next one, he ran barefoot. In this sentence, we find the word barefoot as the adverb, which gives us in what manner he ran. And we'll understand this more where we are going to look at these examples in detail. Okay, so an adverb tells us when, where, how, in what manner, and to what extent an action is done. As we have already discussed, an adverb tells us when an action is done, okay, at what time, where an action is done, in which place did the action happen, how the action was done, and in what manner. Okay, how that means how that means in which way the action was done, and to what extent the action was done. Okay, once again we'll read this. An adverb tells us when, where, how, in what manner, and to what extent an action is done. Now we are going to deal with the examples, and we are going to look at each an example, and we are going to discuss it in detail. Look at the first example. He ran yesterday. This we have already read, but we are going to read it again. He ran yesterday. In this sentence, the adverb yesterday tells us when he ran. Okay, it tells about the time when the action was when the action has happened. In this sentence, ran is the action word or verb. Yesterday is the adverb which tells us when the action is done. So here yesterday is the word which give more meaning to the verb ran. Okay. Now this sentence is about when, okay, at what time the action is done. Now the next one. He ran here. In this sentence, the adverb here tells us where he ran, to which place. Okay, so here is the adverb which is giving more meaning to the verb ran. So ran is the verb, and here is the adverb, and here tells us where he ran. Okay, so in this sentence, the adverb here tells us where he ran. Now the next sentence. He ran quickly. In this sentence, the adverb quickly tells us how he ran. Okay, how the action was done. How the boy ran. Okay, so quickly is the adverb which gives us more idea about the action word ran. Okay, so how the action is done is discussed in this sentence. He ran barefoot. In the sentence, the adverb barefoot tells us in what manner he ran. So in the sentence, we find the word barefoot, which is an adverb, which gives us the idea about in what manner did he run. So barefoot is the adverb which tells us about the action word ran and in what manner he ran. So now let's look at a few of the adverbs. So below is a list of adverbs. Read it carefully. So we have already discussed that adverb tell us how an action is done, when an action is done, where an action is done, and in what manner an action is done. So look at the adverbs here. Daily. Daily tells about when. Okay, when an action is done. Everywhere, very, truly, rudely, quickly, early, anywhere, quite, happily, strictly, easily, soon, down, actually, cheerfully, politely, simply, how, here, lazily, awfully, kindly, well, always, there, bravely, excitedly, gently, lovingly, never, finally, cleverly, calmly, quietly, deeply, sometimes, suddenly, carelessly, honestly, hopefully, endlessly, yesterday, tomorrow. So these are a few words, few adverbs, and in these examples we can find about when adverbs, we can find where adverbs, we can find how adverbs, and in the next one is in what manner the action is done. So such kind of adverbs we can find. When is about time, where is about the place, how is about how the action was done, and in what manner means in which way the action was done. So we find all these words in this example, and it's very easy to find out. You just have to keep about when is time, where is the place, and how is that how the action was done, and in what manner means in which way the action was done. So it's very easy to find out. You just have to read the sentence and you have to just think about how these things we can find out. Okay, the next one is about, it's very easy, how to make adverbs from adjectives. That is, how to convert adjectives to adverbs. It's very simple. If you find adjectives, that means the describing words. If you find describing words, what you have to do is you have to just add ly to it, and when you add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. So look here, when we add ly to an adverb, it becomes an adjective. Okay, when we add ly to an adverb, it becomes an adjective. Not all words, mostly when we add ly to an adjective, it becomes an adjective. So look here, happy is an adjective plus ly become happily. Slow is an adjective, ly slowly. Lazy is an adjective, ly lazily. Lazily is an adverb. Gentle plus ly gently. Clever plus ly cleverly. Brave plus ly bravely. Quiet plus ly quietly. Kind plus ly kindly. Bad plus ly badly. So we find that all these words that are happy, slowly, lazy, gentle, clever, brave, quiet, kind, bad, all these are describing words. Okay, adjectives are describing words which tells us more about a noun. Okay, so when we add ly to the describing word or an adjective, it becomes an adverb. Okay, so this is how we make adverbs from adjectives. I hope you have understood this. So once again we'll revise. Adverbs are the words that add more meaning to a verb. They tell us more about a verb. They give us more details about the verb. And mainly adverbs, they tell us when an action is done, that is a time, where an action is done, that is a place, how an action is done, and in what manner, that is in which way the action is done. And the next thing is when we can convert adjectives to adverbs by adding ly. That is, we add ly. When we add ly to an adjective or describing word, it becomes an adverb. I'll say it once again. When we add ly to an adjective or describing word, it becomes an adverb. Okay, so these are the things which we have to learn in this chapter, and you have few exercises over there in page number 46 and 47. Please try to find the answers, and the notes will be given to you. And this is for now. Take care, children, and bye.